इस वीडियो में हम लोग बिहार बोर्ड के जरिए मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर जो कोरोना को देखते हुए डबल क्वेश्चन किया गया एमसीक्यू में उस पर चर्चा करेंगे। और ये साइंस से जुड़े हुए और जो लोग इंग्लिश में लिखेंगे उनके लिए और हिंदी के लिए अलग से सेपरेट वीडियो बनाई जा रही है। तो बिना देर किए चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 की ओर। द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ विच मिरर इज नेगेटिव? प्लेन मिरर, कॉनकेव मिरर, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, none of these. And the right answer for this question is concave mirror. फोकल लेंथ में कॉनकेव मिरर में ही फोकल लेंथ जो होता है वो नेगेटिव होता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन फोकल लेंथ f and radius of curvature r of a mirror? A, f is equal to r, b, f is equal to r by 2, c, f is equal to 2 by r, d, f is equal to 3 by 2r. And the right answer for this question will be b, f is equal to r by 2. Question number 3, the least distance of distinct vision for the normal eye is A 25 meter, B 25 centimeter, C 25 millimeter, D none of these. And the right answer for this question is option B 25 centimeter. Question number 4, which color of the white light bends least when the light passes through a prism? A violet, B blue, C red, D yellow. And the right answer for this question is option C, red. Question number 5, the image formed on the retina of human eye is virtual and erect, real and inverted, virtual and inverted, real and erect. And the right answer for this question is option B. Question number 6, the color of sky appears blue. A, due to reflection of light, B, due to scattering of light, C, due to refraction of light, D, none of these. And the right answer for this question is due to scattering of light. The sky appears blue due to scattering of light. Question number 7, which mirror makes a large image of the object? A, plane mirror, B concave mirror, C convex mirror, D none of these. And the right answer for this question is concave mirror. In the concave mirror the large image is formed. Question number 8, which one of the following lens is used to correct short sightedness? Convex lens, plano convex lens, concave lens, D none of these. And the right answer for this question is option C, concave lens. Question number 9, which of the following instrument detects the presence of electric current? A, galvanometer, B, motor, C, generator, D, voltmeter. And the right answer for this question is A, galvanometer. Question number 10, who started the right hand thumb rule? Oersted, Fleming, Einstein, Maxwell. And the right answer for this question is option B, Fleming. Question number 11, the SI unit of the potential difference is A, volt, B, ohm, C, ampere, D, coulomb. And the right answer for this question is A, volt. Question number 12, in which of the following combination the value of resistance increases? A, series, B, parallel, C, both series and parallel, none of these. And the right answer for this question is series. Question number 13, nature of magnetic lines of focus is A, imaginary, B, real, C, both real and imaginary, D, none of these. And the right answer for this question is imaginary. Question number 14, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to A, 0.36 into 10 to the power 10 joule, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule, 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule, none of these. And the right answer for this question is 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Question number 15, what is the source of renewable energy? A, nuclear energy, B, solar energy, D, coal energy, D, natural gas energy, and the right answer for this question is solar energy. Solar energy is one of the renewable energy. Question number 16. Which lens is known as diverging lens? Concave lens, convex lens, both concave and convex lens, none of these, and the right answer for this question is concave lens. Question number 17. Which is the primary color of light? Red, blue, green, all of these, and the right answer for this question is option D, all of these. All three, red, blue and green, are the primary color of light. Question number 18. Which of the following part of eye is colored? A. Cornea, B. Pupil, C. Retina, D. Iris, and the right answer for this question is cornea. Question number 19. HP is equal to 746 watt. 760 watt, 780 watt, 550 watt, and the right answer for this question is 746 watt. Question number 20. Magnifying glass is A. Concave lens, B. Convex lens, C. Concave mirror, D. Convex mirror, and the right answer for this question is option B. Convex lens. Question number 21. When electric current flows through a conductive wire, then moving particle is A. Atom, B. Ion, C. Proton, and D. Electron, and the right answer for this question is electron, because it is revolving around the K cell, L cell, and this is the particle which is moving. Question number 22. Ampere hour is unit of A. Power, B. Charge, C. Energy, D. None of these, and the right answer for this question is option B. Charge. Question number 23. Which of the following unit is equal to watt? A. J by S, B. J point S, C. S by J, none of these, and the right answer for this question is J by S. Question number 24. The unit of electric current is A. Ampere, B. Volt, C. Ohm, D. Watt, and the right answer for this question is ampere. Question number 25. Which gas is responsible for global warming? A. O2, B. NH3, C. CO2, D. N2, and the right answer for this question is CO2, carbon dioxide. Question number 26. Which type of reaction is digestion of food in the body? A. Oxidation, B. Combination, C. Displacement, D. Reduction, and the right answer for this question is A. Oxidation. Question number 27. Which type of reaction occurs when water is dropped on quicklime? Exothermic, endothermic, explosive, none of these, and the right answer for this question is exothermic. Question number 21. Which of the following is the most reactive? Cu, Hg, Ag, Au, and the right answer is Ag, means silver. Question number 29. The chemical formula of lime water is A. CaO, B. CaCl2, C. CaOCl2, C. D. CaOH2. Calcium hydroxide, option D. Question number 30. A solution turns red litmus into blue. Its pH value is A. 11, B. 10, C. 5, D. A and B both, and the right answer for this question is option D. A and B both. Question number 31. How many covalent bonds are there between C atom in alkyne? A1, B3, B2, C3, D4, and the right answer for this question is C3. Question number 32. What is the molecular formula of glucose? A. C6H12O6, B. CH3COOH, C. CH3CHO, D. CHCl3, and the right answer for this question is option A. C6H12O6. Question number 33. Sodium salts of higher fatty acids are known as A. Soap, B. Detergent, C. Plastic, D. Rubber, and the right answer for this question is A. Soap. Question number 34. Functional group dash CHO known as aldehyde, alcohol, ketone, none of these, and the right answer for this question is aldehyde. Question number 35. Moving from left to right in a periodic table, atomic radius of element decreases, first decreases and then increases, does not change, increases. And the right answer for this question is decreases. Question number 36. Arrange the following elements in order of their increasing non-metallic character. A. F less than O less than C, B, E, Li. And the right answer for this question is option B. Question number 37. What is silicon? Metal, non-metal, metalloid? D. None of these. The right answer for this question is metalloid. It has both the property of metal and non-metal. Question number 38. Which of the following is an electropositive element? AC, BCl, CNA, DP. Carbon, chlorine, sodium, potassium. And the right answer for this question is sodium. Question 39. Tehri Dam has been constructed in which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Rajasthan, D. Bihar. And the right answer for this question is Uttarakhand. B. Question number 40. Which of the following element is stored in kerosene oil? A. Magnesium, B. Sodium, C. Mercury, D. Tungsten. And the right answer for this question is sodium. B. Question number 41. Which of the following is made from detergent? A. Surf Excel, B. Shampoo, C. Easy Surf. And the right answer for this question is all of the above. Question 42. Which is used in solar cell? Plastic, silicon, uranium, plutonium. And the right answer for this question is silicon. Question number 43. Which of the following is not used in cooking fuel? CNG, LPG, biogas, coal. And the right answer for this question is CNG, compressed natural gas. Question number 44. 2Cu plus O2, 2CuO is oxidation, decomposition, neutralization, displacement. And the right answer for this question is oxidation. Question number 45. Which of the following is not a balanced equation? And the right answer for this question is option B. This one is not balanced, all are balanced. Question number 46. The pH value of a neutral solution A7, B8, C6, D14. And the right answer for this question is 7A. Which of the following is a weak acid? HNO3, HCl, CH3COOH, H2SO4. And the right answer for this question is option C, CH3COOH. Question number 48. Cryolite is an ore of copper, iron, magnesium, aluminium. And the right answer for this question is option D, aluminium. Question number 49. The atomic number of potassium is A17, B18, C19, D20. And the right answer for this question is C19. The UPAC name of formic acid is A. Methanoic acid, propanoic acid, ethanoic acid, none of these. And the right answer for this question is methanoic acid. Question number 51. Molecular formula of ethyl alcohol is A. CH3OH, C2H2OH, C2H5OH, D. C2H6OH. And the right answer for this question is option C, C2H5OH. Question number 52. Which is alkyne? C2H2, B. C2H6, C. CH4, D. C2H4. And the right answer for this question is C2H2. Question number 53. Chemical formula of sugar is A. C6H12O6, B. C12 H22O11, C CH3COOH, D CH3CHO. Option B is the right answer, C12H22O11. Question number 54. The number of covalent bond between carbon atom in acetylene A5, B7, C2, D3, and the right answer for this question is option D3. Question number 55. Seed used for study of respiration are dry seeds, germinating seed, boiled seed, crushed seed. The right answer for this question is germinating seed. Question number 56. The kidney in human being are part of which system? Nutrition, respiration, excretion, transportation. And the right answer for this question is excretion. Xylem in plant is responsible for the transportation of which of the following? A. Water, B. Food, C. Amino acid, D. Oxygen. The right answer for this question is option A. Water. Question number 58. Which gas is evolved during respiration? A. CO2, B. CO, C. N2, D. O2. Option A is the right answer, CO2. Question number 59. Ripening of fruit is controlled by which of the following? Auxin, gibberellin, ethylene, cytokinin. The right answer for this question is ethylene. Question number 60. Part of neuron where information acquired is dendrite, axon, cell body, nerve ending. Dendrite. Option A is the right answer. Question number 61. Which of the following is hormone of emergency? Adrenaline, estrogen, parathormone, calcitonin. The right answer for this question is adrenaline. Question number 62. Which of the following is not an involuntary action? Vomiting, salivation, heartbeat, chewing. इनमें से तीनों खुद से होते, चेविंग को चुबाना पड़ता. ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 63. विच इज जेस्टेशन, व्हाट इज जेस्टेशन पीरियड ऑफ ह्यूमन? ए 220 days, बी 290 days, सी 200 days, डी 245. द ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर, 270 days. Question 64. When was Ganga Action Plan started? A. 1973, B. 1985, C. 1971, D. 1983. Option B is the right answer, 1985. Question 65. By budding, asexual reproduction occurs in which of the following? Yeast, Plasmodium, amoeba, none of these. A. Yeast. Question number 66. Which of the following diseases are related to respiratory system? Diarrhea, tuberculosis, pneumonia, D. Both B and C. Option D is the right answer, both B and C. Question number 67. Which of the following is not digested by human being and other carnivorous animal? Protein, cellulose, fat, all of these. Option B is the right answer, cellulose. Question 68. Main region of human brain hemorrhage is hypotension, heart attack, hypertension, paralysis. The right answer for this question is hypertension. Question number 69. Which of the following is an example of parasitic plant? Bacteria, Cuscuta, virus, fungus. Option B is the right answer, Cuscuta. Question number 70. Blood is pumped to whole body from heart by lungs, ventricle, auricle, all of these. The right answer for this question is ventricle. Question number 71. Asexual reproduction process in Hydra is budding, regeneration, fission, spore formation. The right answer for this question is budding. Question number 72. Sexually transmitted disease is syphilis, AIDS, gonorrhea. All of the above. Option D is the right answer, all of the above. Question number 43. Outermost part of flower is sepal, petal, stamen, pistil. The right answer for this question is option A, sepal. Question number 74. Which antibody is found in blood group A? A B B O. Option B is the right answer. Question number 75. In blood, amount of glucose is not controlled by which of the following: insulin, glucagon, gastrin, somatostatin. Option C is the right answer, gastrin. Question number 76. Plant growth hormone is gibberellin, adrenaline, insulin, thyroxine. The right answer for this question is A, gibberellins. Question number 77. Hormones are secreted from endocrine gland, exocrine gland, tube, none of these. And the right answer for this question is endocrine gland. Question number 78. How many pairs of salivary glands are found in human buccal cavity? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the right answer for this question is option C, 3. Question number 79. Androgen hormone is male hormone, female hormone, digestive hormone, parathyroid hormone. The right answer for this question is male hormone, A. Question number 80 and the last question of this model paper. Who selected P as his experimental material? Mendel, Darwin, Lamarck, Khurana. And the right answer for this question is option A, Mendel. Okay friend, please like and subscribe this channel and share among your friend. Bye bye.